Good morning, guys. Hi, and welcome to Go Vibes. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and make sure to share our channel with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe. Hey, so every morning we woke up in the morning, and if it's the weekdays, we do Zumba session every morning. And if you have seen our Zumba Elite Leaders Facebook page, you'll know what we're doing. And also just what we usually do every day and in the morning. And after that, we look after our puppies. We have a little puppy shelter. Shush, hey. And also we have, we make our meal, we do prep our meal for the day, and that's our meal that we usually share here in our channel. And for those of you in New Zealand, in Australia, okay, hey, don't let me call Maui on you. And in the States, and thank you so much, guys, for the support. We want to hit more than 4,000 subscribers, so we're getting there. We're building up our content and also our videos for you guys. Normally our video, we still doing it from my phone. It's an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and so all of our videos is recorded in my iPhone. So we are hoping for more equipment, like a camera for vlogging and other stuff, some microphones, and we're still there, but we're giving you some of our food and what we do here in Tonga. And so yeah, we'd just like to ask you guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Hey guys, so today's mukbang is we are eating again. So this is a mixture still. We have the kina or the Tukumisi in Tonga, yeah, and also we have like Vasuva. I don't know the English term for that, but we have the Takaniko, and it's called it's the abalone version here in Tonga, and it's super delicious. So make sure, guys, to click the subscribe button, please. I beg you, click the subscribe button, okay, and share it with your family and friends. We're trying to build up our subscribers, so up to more than 4,000, so we're trying to get there, okay. And also we have hoppa, yay! And some coconut to drink. Woo. Okay, but first let us pray. Iklelei mo famalo I me tokonok tuku ke mau inasiai maoe hivi mo malo hi fa hoko ya mga fatongya wa skies ku ang famo. Amen. Oh, don't you just love it? You just gotta eat it. So hoppa. And then you're gonna have, if you have your first bite, first mouthful of that. Okay, guys, this is super delicious. So with the abalone, you can steam it or do anything with it, but here it is. I think straight raw. It's so good. So with the hoppa, it's more a Tongan bananas, but it's a little different, much more bigger size than a banana. Guys, there you go. That was actually a part of Vasuva. So how was your day? If you're thirsty, you have a taste of coconut. Oh, our island coconuts is always sweet and better. Oh, so good. So, we just finished a Zumba session. And all of that energy and then exercising. There you go, guys. I think that's Vasuva. And then with the kina. So, Tukumisi is the same as the kina. There are different type of the sea urchin, where there's one that has a longer. No, we met. Oh my goodness. It doesn't matter how many times I ate it, I still love it. Oh my god. What's the time now? It's not even 11 o'clock and I'm eating. Okay, that's Vasuva. There you go. So you just have hoppa. Like that. Oh guys, this is so good. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our TikTok page is Tropical Vibes Tonga. If you missed the island, just go back to our videos. There you go. So we got this from Hawaii. And it was 120 for one. Just because of this volcanic eruption and lockdown and stuff. We ordered this from last year. We just got it. Oh my god. This is so delicious. I mean, guys, those of you already who are here in Tonga and you taste our seafood, our Tukumisi, our Vasuva, will love and miss this. You'll love it. Please share our channel. We're trying to build up our subscriber, getting more exposure. Oh my god. It's so good. So never a dull moment with these seafood, especially our Tongan ones. I'm pretty sure you have the same in Fiji and Silva every Saturday morning in the fish market. They have this ice cream bar. It was so cheap. I forgot what they call the Tukumisi in Silva. And Samoa is the same. They have it as well. But guys, don't you just love the food back in the island, okay? Yeah? You'll love it. If you love it, please hit the subscribe button, guys. Support. Also, we have a Facebook page, Tropical Vibes. Check them out. We're open for any sponsors or any support. There you go. And that's it, guys. Thank you very much. That's our meal for today. I only have one meal a day because I'm doing intermittent fasting. And just to keep my size and my weight. Also because we've done like half an hour to an hour Zumba session in the morning. But thank you very much, guys. There you go. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Oh, fala hiatu.